And greetings, fellow traders. Bubblehead here, and it's time for the Lunchtime Market Update for Thursday, December 5th, 2019, brought to you by Positive Trends Research. Before we get started today, everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice, so please take a moment to review this disclaimer. All right, so today, pretty choppy day so far. Range of the day is about 15 points, so it's had a few decent moves, but pretty wild, right? Pretty tame for the most part, right? As it's kind of chopping around in this range here in the trend box, right? So remember, we have our upward trend line right here, right? We started to break down here. Now we have the high and the recent lows, so it's all contained in this box right here. So we basically just look for setups, but in here we can expect choppy behavior until certain breakout patterns occur. Still, for what it's worth, we did hold the macro channel low when we gapped up yesterday, so we're kind of still within that range. And today, we are down 3 points, but we did have a 15 orb breakdown this morning, so it really did look like the market was going to go down. I think there was less than expected manufacturing numbers, things like that. So we got a little bit of a flush this morning, and that was pretty much the activity on SPX. So let's take a look at some of the 15 orb ideas that we had today. So we had RH had a nice breakout right here, 15 orb, right inside 15 for the breakout right there, and that worked from 218 all the way from 228. So that was a pretty good move on RH today. It's nice to have Warren Buffett behind an idea. We also had a 15 orb breakdown here, one time here, and then the second time right here. Now we're at a double inside 15 on 5. Other than that, not too much else happened. Work, WRK. Had a pretty epic reversal today, inside 15 or 15 orb down, and then an inside bar to take it back up. And then Nike was interesting today. So Nike actually had an upgrade today. Sorry, NKE. So Nike did an upgrade today, but couldn't get over the pre-market levels, and so therefore it was a good reversal candidate. So that's what we saw here today. Pretty choppy type stuff. And yeah, so other than that, that is pretty much the action today. We're looking to see if any of the go-to list items set up pretty well here. We did see Amazon with a lot of weakness this morning before the market really even started to move down. With any significance, Amazon took a 15 orb down this morning as well. Boeing has had some news today, so it's been pretty kind of ups and down today. So very, very difficult to trade Boeing today. Rogue, just a lot of choppiness today across the regular go-to list today. The only one that kind of really popped out was UNH. Inside 15 right here for a 15 orb break. Went all the way from 280 to about 282 today. So anyway, we'll keep an eye on these today, and hope everybody has a safe rest of your trading day. And remember your risk first and stay safe so you stay in the game. We'll talk to you soon.